Welcome back to ARR Education. My name is Reshman, and as I said, I will be launching the second part of nutrition in animals. I have launched this video finally. So let us start the second part of nutrition in animals. Let us learn about teeth now. Teeth, singular tooth, are used to bite and chew food in the mouth. They cut and grind the food to break it down into smaller pieces. So basically what happens is you take the food into the mouth and then the teeth cut the food into smaller pieces. Then the same teeth grind the food. Then the tongue rolls the food into the bolus and then it is sent to the stomach for further digestion. So that was all about what are teeth. So coming to different types of teeth, we have different types in everything. So we must have different types in teeth also, right? So let us see what they are. They are incisors, canines, premolars, and the last molars. So that means there are four types of teeth. Incisors. Incisors are found in front of the mouth. They are chisel shaped. They are used for biting and cutting of food. Coming to canines. Canines are pointed. They are used for piercing and tearing of food. So this is an incisor and this is a canine. Premolars. They have a flattened surface and they are used for grinding of food. So this is a premolar. Molars. They are similar to premolars but are larger. They are also used for grinding of food. And this is a molar. You can see that this molar is very large compared to the remaining teeth. So premolars and molars are large. That's why they are used to grind the food, while incisors and canines are little smaller and sharper. That's why they are used for tearing, cutting, piercing, biting, etc. of food. So, coming to the structure of a tooth, look at this model of a human tooth. The first layer is the enamel, which is the hardest substance in the human body. Many people might have thought that human bone is the hardest substance in the body, but no, actually, this enamel, which covers the tooth, is the hardest substance of the body. It is even stronger than a human bone. And beneath the enamel, we have the dentine, which is a little softer. And then we have the pulp, which is the innermost portion of the tooth. The pulp contains of blood vessels and nerves, which enables your teeth to live on and sense. So now let me tell you about the number of teeth in humans. Milk teeth. We have a total of 20 milk teeth. 10 are in each jaw. 4 incisors, 2 canines, 4 molars, and not much premolars per jaw. By the way, wondering what are milk teeth? So when we are born, we don't have permanent teeth yet. We have milk teeth, which are a little less in number. As we grow up, all the milk teeth just go and permanent teeth keep growing. So gradually we get permanent teeth. In permanent teeth, we stay in our life permanently after milk teeth. We have a total of 28 to 32 permanent teeth. If you consider 32 teeth, 16 are in each jaw, 4 incisors, 2 canines, 4 premolars, and 6 molars per jaw. Note for you, there are 2 jaws. So if you want how many total incisors are there, how many total canines are there, etc., can multiply each number by 2. So let us start with nutrition in humans, which means humans including you. Nutrition in humans also follows the 5 steps that have been mentioned earlier in the previous part. Because nutrition in humans also follows the Holozoic nutrition. And let me remind you about them if you forgot. First is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and at the last we have the egestion. So let me give you a brief note on nutrition in humans. The food passes through a continuous canal which begins at the buccal cavity. Wait, wondering what is the buccal cavity? Don't worry, the buccal cavity is nothing but the mouth. And coming back to the point, the canal through which the food passes ends at the anus. Well, the elementary canal is an important term in this chapter. You can note it down. The elementary canal can be divided into the various components. They are mouth, the esophagus, which is nothing but the food pipe, the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, the rectum, and the anus. Look, here you can see the human digestive system. First, you take the food into your mouth with your hands. So the food enters your mouth, then this food enters the esophagus, which is the food pipe, and from there it reaches the stomach, and then it is released into the small intestine, then to the large intestine, and then the undigested food is stored in the rectum. And when the time comes to release the undigested food out, it is released out through the anus. And the salivary glands, the pancreas, and livers secrete digestive juices which are used in the mouth, the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine. So, the first step of holozoic mode of nutrition is the ingestion, which begins in the mouth, as you know. So, let us learn about it first. The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. The food is chewed in the mouth and broken down into smaller pieces with the help of the teeth. This process is known as mastication. Now let us come to digestion in the mouth. Most of you might have thought till now that the process of digestion begins in the stomach, but it actually begins in the mouth itself. This process is begun by the saliva. The salivary glands secrete saliva to digest the carbohydrates. By the way, wondering what are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are one of the kinds of nutrients present in food. And coming back to the point, the tongue mixes the food with the saliva and helps to swallow the digested food. By the way, one fact is that the tongue can't taste until unless the food is dissolved in saliva. So you need saliva also for taste. And the tongue rolls out the food into a kind of ball known as bolus. Well, this bolus reaches the stomach where further digestion takes place. So if you can see, this is how a bolus looks like, and this bolus is currently inside the esophagus, which is the food pipe. Okay guys, so as I said, this is just the second part of nutrition in animals. Next part will be launching very soon, and don't forget to like, share and comment this video for me and your friends, because this can be helpful for them also. And subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can watch more videos like this and gain more knowledge to get good marks. You can watch this video again to be even more clear. Hope you liked this video. Bye and have a great day.